Hello, in this video we're gonna check if LG Q70 does have the dual SIM slot. And to do this we'll need to find the slot on this device, and it's located right here on the right. And now take the needle from the box and stick it in a gap right here. It should open the slot, we can remove it, and inside there's a slot for one card. And that's basically it, so there's only one slot on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.